Hello kids, and today we are going to learn about the chapter Light. So, first I want to ask you a question. How are you? Tell your feelings in the comment box. So, let us now learn the chapter that is Light. That is Light. So, first, we will know that what is physics. So, if you have noticed, in physics, the chapters are like uh, physical quantities, physical quantities, physical quantities and measurements, physical quantities and measurements, right? There are chapters like this, then like simple machines, right? Simple machines. Then what else? What else we can take? Yes, light. This only you can copy paste from here. And magnetism. Magnetism. So here you will see that in physics these chapters are like related to your physical life, right? So physics is like interconnected with the term physical, right? So that's why we learn physics, because we have to learn about the physical things that are needed in our daily life. Like if you buy some vegetables, you need these physical quantities and measurements like 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 ml, 10 ml, or 2 50 gram, right? So these all are measurements. The simple machines like lemon squeezer and uh, yeah, lemon squeezer, nail cutter, all these are like simple machines only, right? Then light. So light makes object visible to us. That's why light is important. So same process are for these all chapters. So now let's start. Uh, let's start our chapter, main chapter. Let's not waste our time. So let us know that what is actually light. What is actually light? Okay. So uh, see, we need light to see the world around us, right? So what I told you when I have taught you that physics is interconnected with like the word physical. So what I have told you, that I have told you that physics means object visible to us. So the same, it's also telling that we need light to see the world. Then it makes things visible to us, right? It makes means it is the same thing that it we need light, or it makes object visible to us. So the same point, right? Then so the main definition, the very main definition, if they ask in exams, the very main definition, if you have if they ask, then the definition is light is a form, light is a form of energy that makes object visible to us, objects visible to us, right? Visible to us. So this is one point, or you can tell that this is the definition of light. This is the definition of light. So what is light? So light is a form of energy, right? Light is a form of energy that makes object visible to us, right? So now let us first see a diagram. So take it, suppose this is your wall and here is a like tube light, no, or LED bulb, whatever you can like understand. So this, take it, suppose this is a like LED bulb. Now the light is produced by this, right? Now take suppose some like some, take it as a book. Take it as a book. If like book is kept, like a book is kept over here, and suppose your eyes are like over here. This is your eye, right? So what will happen? Just think, just imagine what will happen. So the thing that will happen in this thing will be like, see, I have made the camera closer to you to see this. So see, here is the like LED bulb. This is the LED bulb, right? LED bulb. Now what is this? This is light. This is light. This is a object. You can take any object. You can take any object over here. I have taken a book. Now this eye is very important for so this eye. Okay. So what is happening in this? So we can see that light is coming like this in many directions, right? So it is going in many directions. So light is reflecting on it, and that it is the book is reflecting its like color or light into our eyes. So by that we can see that this is the object. So when we see, there are lens in our eyes, right? So from that lens the light like we can see from that lens, the lens captures this and then it sends to our vein. That you have to comment in the comment box what is the name of that vein. Then from that vein it goes to our mind, and our mind can recognize that this is a book, right? So like these processes happen very quickly, right? These things happen very quickly. So this is like the diagram or photo or whatever you can take. So what is the second point? So the second point is that for an object to be visible, for an object, I have told you about the articles. So that's why we have put it N over here, because the sound is coming of O, right? Don't put A, because that will be wrong. Then for an object to be visible, to be visible, to be visible, wait, I've written wrong, visible, light has to fall on it, light has to fall on, has to fall on it, fall on it, fall on it, bounce back, bounce back, bounce back, and no, bounce back from its surface. In your book it's not written from, but you have to write, because the examiner or the exam can, is asking from where, right? So the answer is not written for where, it's just telling that bounce back, but in which direction, from where. So the answer will be that from its surface. So that's why you have to write surface, surface, then enter our eyes, enter our eyes, both eyes, not just single eye. So this is the second point, right? So if you want to note down, see, these 2 points for definition of light are very important. If you want, you can draw this diagram also, you will get full marks. See, it's depend on the number of marks. If they ask for just 1 mark, then you write this much. If they are asking for 2 marks, then you for 2 marks also, if you will write, you will get 2 marks. But if they are asking for 4 marks, then your representation matters a lot. So that's why you can draw this also and this also. So you will get 1 marks for 2 marks for this, 1 mark for this, and 1 mark for this. See, so that's why your representation matters a lot. So you will get 4, and 4 means no, 4 out of 4, and this part. If you will draw this much, if you will draw this much, then you will get 4 marks in that particular question. So if you want to note down any of these things, you can note down. So I hope you are making notes. So in your notes you can write these. So hello everyone, and today we are going to learn about some facts and more in this video about the chapter that is light. So I hope the board is visible to you. So let's know the facts. So before knowing the facts, let us first know the not light but sources of light. Sources of light. See, in last part we have learned that what is light, but now we are going to learn about the sources of light, because sources of light are also very important. So sources of light can be divided into 2 parts, right? They can be divided into 2 parts. So what are these 2 parts? These can be luminous and non-luminous. luminous objects, luminous objects and non-luminous objects. Non-luminous objects. So, what are luminous objects and non-luminous objects? So, first, let's discuss. Do not write. Right now. Do not write. Just let's discuss what is luminous object and what is non-luminous objects. We have to know the facts also, right? So, let's begin. So, objects that are capable of giving out light by themselves are called sources of light or luminous objects, right? So, luminous objects can be we can give the definition. This same definition can we give to luminous object? Of course, we can give, right? So, objects that are capable of giving out light by themselves are called luminous objects. So, what can be the examples? So, the examples, see, physics I have already told that is physical. So, see, we have eyes, so we can see that what are luminous and what are non-luminous. See, luminous object we have already learned that the objects that have light that are capable of giving the light, right? So they are called luminous objects, right? So we can see that which are the things that are capable, right? So we can see that LED bulb or tube light or I think torch, yeah, a firefly or sun or yeah, stars or candle, right? So all these are luminous objects. Now let us know, first let us know the examples, right? Yes, first let us know the examples. So the examples of luminous objects are, yeah, you can take anything like LED bulb, tube light, then what else? LED bulb, tube light, torch, candle, sun, stars, then fireflies, and etc. Right? So all these are, this is the definition. These are the examples. These are the examples. So you can make your notes like this also. You can make clouds and then you can write these, right? So let us now come to non-luminous objects. So let us discuss what are non-luminous objects. So what are non-luminous objects? So objects that do not emit light of their own are known as non-luminous objects, right? Or you can say that the objects that are not capable of giving their light giving out the light are of their own uh, are called non-luminous objects. So you can write both definitions, whatever you want you can write. So what can be the definition? So first I have made a cloud and now I am going to write the definition. So what is the definition? Wait. In this part I have included luminous objects, so in this part also I am going to not leave non-luminous. Okay. So now let us write the definition of non-luminous object also. So what can be the definition? So objects that do not emit light of their own are known as non-luminous objects, right? So let us know. Wait, I think the cloud is very big for them. So examples. So examples you can write everything around you, like your shoes or your teddy bear or your your bag also, your school bag, your water bottle, or you can write just water bottle, or your ring, or your table, or your dining table also you can write chair. Anything can be the example. So wood, then what else? Book, stone, chair, dining table, it's not a dining table. Table or dining table both are like same only. Let's write some different. What else we can write? School bag, bottle, lunch, fruits, yeah, let's leave out this only. These are like more than, yeah, these examples are more than this one. So let's leave out this. Now what if I say that luminous object also have two categories? So what are these two categories? So these two categories can be one can be here, one, wait, but I don't have space, so let's make it over here. So one can be categorized into natural, one can be categorized as artificial. Then you can add this part, luminous objects, right? Natural luminous object, then artificial luminous objects. This you can add by yourself. So that's why I have made this. This you can add if you want. Then what can be the examples or See, natural and artificial are the word in itself, and you can understand by these terms only that natural means the luminous objects that are natural, naturally producing their light are known as natural. Then luminous, artificial luminous objects means objects that are producing their light artificially are known as artificial luminous objects. So I think do not need to write the definition. So I am just writing their examples. So what can be the examples? Let's not write examples. Let's do an activity. From this we have to tell that which are natural, which one of them are. See, you have to categorize natural and you have to categorize artificial. Okay, so let us do that. So LED bulb, artificial, absolutely correct. LED bulb. Then LED bulb. Then what else? Tube light. Once again artificial. So yeah, tube light. Tube light. Tube light. Then torch. Once again this. Then sun, stars, then fireflies, So see, if you have to recognize that this is artificial or not. So these terms are interconnected, somewhere connected with electricity or fire. Electricity or fire. Let's not take this tube light, but let's see. Already we have taken LED bulb. Let's not take LED bulb. Let's take tube light and candle. Tube light and candle take. So let's remove this. So if we write candle, then this is related with fire, because a light in candle is actually made by fire, right? So that's why these terms are interconnected with these two words, electricity and fire. If now you will ask that how is torch connected to electricity? It works with batteries. So I said they are interconnected. They are not working. I didn't say they are working. I said they are interconnected, right? So this is interconnected. No, this works, but this is interconnected, right? So that's why torch is interconnected with electricity, tube light is interconnected with electricity, but candle is connected with fire. Okay. Okay. So I hope this much is clear to you. If you want to write any of these things, you can write. Then we will proceed to our facts. So hello, as I have told you that in this part we are going to learn about some facts. So now let's learn about the facts about the chapter, that is light. Absolutely correct. So now, what are the facts? So these facts are that most of the objects we see are non-luminous objects. This we know, right? So you must be thinking that why mom hasn't taken the name of the term, that is moon, right? So why I have not taken? So the biggest fact is that even the moon or the planets are non-luminous objects. Right? The moon which appears to be bright at night is actually are non-luminous objects. This is the first fact. Wait, I'm zooming that for you to see it properly. So I hope that is visible to you. Sorry for the camera that is shaking, but for making you visible, I have zoomed it. So this is the first fact. Let's label this as first. The second fact is the fireflies which produce light is this is possible. The light in their body is lightning, like they have the light, and this formula is let's not make it too complicated. Just this is possible. The firefly are able to produce the light, and that is just possible that because of the chemical bio. See, I'm writing the spelling very big. Bioluminescence. This is the spelling, bioluminescence. So at the back of their body they have this chemical bioluminescence. Because of this chemical, the microorganisms or fireflies are just able to produce light. This is too much messy. Light. So that is just possible, and just because of the chemical, that is bioluminescence. So firefly are able to produce light because of the chemical bioluminescence. This is a single point, or if you have to write the proper point, then I am dictating you. You can pause the video or you can just listen to me and write the full sentence that I'm speaking, right? So I'm like reading it very slowly for you. So let's start. Some animals and microorganisms are capable of producing light of their from their body by the chemical reaction. This is called bioluminescence. Wait. This actual not the spelling of bioluminescence. Wait, I have written wrong. See this chemical. See, I'm not only able to like learn the spelling. This is so much big. So that's why now it's correct. Yeah, now it is correct. Now you can write the spelling. So these are the two facts that fireflies are able to produce light of their own by the chemical reaction that is called bioluminescence in their body. Right? This is the proper point if you want to write. Then a common example is firefly bioluminescence is found mostly in sea, fish, jellyfish, squids, and even some bacteria show this phenomena, right? So this is the actual point. Okay, let me write the full point for you. I think some students are still not able to write, so I'm writing the full paragraph for them. Full paragraph I'm writing. So the second point is some animals. I'm writing some animals and micro microorganisms some are capable of producing light from their from from their yeah from their body by chemical reaction chemical reaction reaction chemical reaction full stop. This is called bioluminescence. Oh, sorry. Bioluminescence. Okay. Then a common example is firefly. as, wait, I have become fire flies, fireflies. Then bioluminescent, bioluminescent, bioluminescent is found, bioluminescent is found, bioluminescent is found, and but mostly mostly in, because this is a possibility of 95% that they are mostly present in these following examples that I am going to tell you. The following examples are mostly in, mostly in the sea. So the examples are fish, then jellyfish, है ना? By this jellyfish glow, right? That's why jellyfish also. Jellyfish. Then what else? Squid, squids, squids. Then and even some. I have taught you, or no, I have not taught you. I think so, about cells. Maybe I will teach you about the cells. So in that there are bacteria like yeast, and like there are many bad bacteria, and like uh, yeast. Yeast is one of the examples. So these are some of the bacteria. So that's why even some bacteria also show this phenomenon. Bacteria show this phenomenon. Show this phenomena. Spelling you all have to learn. You all have to learn. Everybody writes wrong in the exams. Everybody learn the spelling. So the spelling is PHENOMENON. I think this P is not. See, this is the spelling of phenomena. Phenomenon. Let me show you jellyfish and squids. Right? Let's all see what are these jellyfish and squids. Jellyfish and squids. See, I'm showing you the picture. So I hope this is visible to you. See, they have this. See this part, they have so much light. They also have this like this chemical bioluminescent. You can see any of the fishes, you can see Over here also you can see here is too much light, then over here also you can see there's too much light, right? In here also you can see that there are too much light, and we can say that the chemical bioluminescence is present in them, right? Now let us know the fish. Wait, I'm showing the fish also that are having this chemical bioluminescence. See, there are not all, but there are some that you can see. This one you can see, or this one you can see. This is also a fish. Then what else? Wait, see this. This one is also having that chemical. See, some fishes have. See this also. So this is also like, see, this is also a fish that is having the chemical bioluminescence. Then let us see squids. Let us all see squids. Let us all discover. Let us all discover this thing that are they seriously have this chemical, or it's just written. Let's discuss. Squids. See this one. See this one. I hope you can see this one, or this one you can see, or this one also you can see, same as this one. See, he is also telling you to like, subscribe and share. So do like, subscribe and share. See, I'm reminding you, please like, subscribe and share. See, this is also having this chemical bioluminescence. There are some. There are only some that have this chemical. If I search without bioluminescence, so they will come like normal. They will come like normal, because there are some that do not really have this chemical. Let us see some bacteria also. See, I'm showing you this also. This is also having this chemical bioluminescence, same as this has. Same as this. See, we have seen this in microscope. These are not like real pictures that we can see with our naked eyes. These are of yes. These are seen from what? From microscope. Absolutely correct. So these bacteria are actually seen by microscope. So we all have discovered that they actually have this chemical or not. Right? If you want to note down these things, you can note down. I hope that you are making notes.